All right, we've gotten to the point where we feel pretty proficient with the basic technique. We understand that we view a target, draw the line of flight, mark viewpoint, hold point, break zone. We're getting pretty good at getting our hands to the bird, getting feel, seeing the bird when we fire. So once we feel like we've gotten pretty proficient with our technique, we've got a good understanding of what we're trying to do and we're comfortable doing it, now we're ready to step it up a notch. When we shoot a tournament, whether it's a benefit shoot or an NSCA shoot, or whenever we go out to the course, the targets are always set in pairs. So we're simply taking everything that we've learned and now we're going to do it ×2. So let's take a look at the pair we're going to shoot. We'll take a look at this first target. Pull. All right, there's the bird. Bang, somewhere in there. Bird 2. Bang, somewhere in there. All right, so that's a report pair. 1 on report 2. Now what we got to do again, everything's ×2. We've got to mark our viewpoint, break point, and hold point for the first target, and then we've got to mark a viewpoint, break point, hold point for the second bird. The real addition here is the transition between shots. After we kill bird 1, we want to transition quickly to our viewpoint and hold point for bird 2. If we're a little slow getting over there, the bird's going to come out and have gotten away from us a little bit before we get our hands there. The other thing is setting your feet up. Now we've got 2 different break zones, one here and one here. So we're not setting up perfectly for one break zone or the other. We're going to kind of set our feet in between the 2 so I can twist back, kill the first bird, then come back and get the second bird. So let's shoot a couple so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, get our feet set properly in between the 2 points. Okay. Load up. All right, twist back to my hold point, eyes on the viewpoint, pull. Pull. All right, let's try that again. I was actually a little slow transitioning that time, so it's a good thing in practice. I'm aware of that. The next shot I'm going to do a better job. So come back again to our hold point, pull. Pull. I was a little more efficient in transition to the second bird on that. I didn't waste any time. So that's a way that one thing we're trying to improve on pairs is our transition to that second shot. But it's basically everything we've learned thus far ×2.